Okay, let's go to page 572 and start with number 1. Okay, so you want to find each function value to 4 significant digits. So tangent of 15.2 degrees. Okay, so you can get your, so again you need to know how to use your calculator. So you just enter tangent 15.2 degrees. Okay, and you just push equal, and you want to get 4 significant digits. So 0.27169, so it would be 17. So you have to run off to 17. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Number 3. Okay, you got sine of 65.2 degrees. Okay, so you can get your calculator. You just, so it can depend on your calculator. For this one, you just enter exactly what you see. So enter sine 65.2 degrees. So this is a button over here for degree. Enter, closing your parentheses, push equal. Okay, so this one is a 7. You have to run it up to make this 8. So 9078. Okay, so this will run it up to 0.9078. Okay, next one. Okay, number 5. You have cosine of 31 degrees in 10 minutes. Okay, so get your calculator, so enter cosine. So you got 31 degrees. And then you have enter 10 minutes. So you can use the button right over here. You have to shift over to the minute, enter. Okay, so make sure you know how to enter on the calculator. Closing up parentheses, push equal. Okay, and you have to run it up to 4 digits. So the 6 over here will make this into 7. So it'll be 0.8557. Okay, so you can make sure you know how to run your number to correct decimal place. Okay, number 7. Okay, you got secant of 54 degrees in 40 minutes. Okay, so there's no secant button over here, so you need to convert that into primary function. The secant is a reciprocal of cosine, so first you have to make this into 1 over cosine of 54 degrees and 40 minutes. Okay, then you can use your calculator. Okay, so again, typing exactly what you see, so it's 1 divided by, so 1 divided by cosine of 54 degrees and 40 minutes, and close out your parentheses, push equal. Okay, so this will give you 1.7, let's see, 4 significant digits, so 4 digits, so 1.729. Okay, so make sure you get, so when it says 4 significant digits, make sure you get the 4 digits. Okay, so you have to pay attention to the digits. Okay. Okay, let's go to number 9. Yeah, cosecant of 7.44 degrees. Again, there's no cosecant button over here, so you have to convert into primary function. So cosecant came from sine, so this will equal to 1 over sine of 7.44 degrees. So you can first write it out. Okay, so help you to visualize. So then you're typing exactly what you see. Depends on your calculator. Some calculator may have a different key sequence. Okay. So you got 1 divided by sine of 7.44 degrees. Close out your parentheses, push equal. Okay, so this will equal to 7.72. Now the 7 over here is 227. So 7 will make this, will run it up to make this into 3. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, page 572, number 11. You're looking for cosine of 32.43 degrees. Okay, so cosine 32.43 degrees. Okay, close it out. Push equal. Okay, so this will equal to 0.844. Now the 4 didn't make it, so you chop it off. So it'll be 440. Okay. Okay, number 13. Okay, you have cosine of 52 degrees 43 minutes. Okay. So you can get your calculator. So you enter cosine 52 degrees 43 minutes, and close out your parentheses, then push equal. Okay, so this is equal to 0.60. Now it's 57. Okay, 575. So it becomes 58. Okay, so the 5, this 5 over here, we run it up to make the 7 into an 8. Okay, next one. Okay, number 15. Yeah, cotangent of 78 degrees and 15 minutes. Okay, so well, there's no cotangent over here, so you have to use tangent. So cotangent is equal to 1 over tangent. Okay, so you have to use a reciprocal. Okay, cotangent is 1 over tangent and vice versa. So you just type in what you see. So you got 1 divided by tangent of 78 degrees and 15 minutes. Okay. Okay. There we go. Okay, 78 degrees, 15 minutes. Closing your parentheses, push equal. So this is equal to 0.2080. Okay, let's go to the next one. Number 17. You have secant of 111.3 degrees. Again, there's no secant button on your calculator, so you have to use secant came from cosine, so this is equal to 1 over cosine of 111.3 degrees. Okay, so you just follow that. So just 1 divided by cosine of 111.3 degrees. Okay, push equal. Okay, so this will equal to negative 2.75. Now 9. The 9 will run it up, so the 2 will become 3. Okay, again, there's 4 significant digits. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 19. Yeah, sine of 268.5 degrees. Okay, so this is very straightforward. So just enter sine 268.5 degrees. Okay, push equal. Okay, so you're going to get negative 0.999. Now it's 6.5. So 5 will go up. So make the 6 into a 7. Okay. So you can make sure you know how to round your decimals. Okay, let's go to 21. Yeah, cotangent of 143 degrees and 30 minutes. Okay, so again, there's no cotangent button on your calculator, so you have to make this into 1 over tangent of 143 degrees and 30 minutes. Okay, so go 1 divided by tangent 143 degrees 30 minutes. Closing your parentheses, push equal. Okay, so this is equal to negative 1.351. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, you have cosine of 231 degrees and 30 minutes. So get your calculator, so go cosine 231 degrees and 30 minutes. Close your parentheses, push equal. So this is equal to negative 0.6225. So it'll be 225. Okay. That's it. Okay, let's go to 25. Okay, you got sine theta equal to 0.3400. Okay, whenever you're looking for angle, you have to go second function, okay? And you want the nearest tenth of the degree. Okay, so again, when you're looking for angle, you have to go second sine, and you enter the number, 0.3400. Close in parentheses, push equal. Okay, so this will equal to 19, and to the nearest tenth of the degree. Okay, so the nearest tenth is the 8. So this is a 7, so you have to run it up into 19.9 degrees. Okay, so you have to look, you have to know how to run this up. So 7, run it up to make this into a 9. Okay, 27. Yeah, cotangent theta equal to 1.700. Again, there's no cotangent button, so you have to make into tangent. Okay, so cotangent is equal to 1 over tangent. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this over 1, and I'm going to flip both sides upside down. Okay, whatever you do on one side, you have to do exactly on this side. So flip it over. So you got tangent theta equal to 1 over 1.700. Okay, so now you can use the calculator to figure it out now. Okay, so this would be equal to second tangent, because whenever you're looking for angle, you have to use second function. Okay, so second tangent of 1 divided by 1.700. Close in parentheses, equal. Okay, so theta equal to 30 point, and this again nearest tenth. So the 6 will run it up, so make the 4 into a 5. Okay, and make sure you have little degree. Okay, make sure you have label. If you don't have that, then it would be wrong. It would be incorrect. Okay. Okay, let's go to 29. Okay, you got secant theta equal to 3.555. Again, there's no secant button on here, so you have to make secant into 1 over cosine. So again, you have to know your reciprocals, and this will equal to 3.555. Okay, so secant is 1 over cosine. Then after that, I'm going to make it over 1, so I'm going to flip both sides upside down. So I got cosine theta equal to 1 over 3.555. Okay, now I can go and use my calculator. So you have to do some work, okay, if you have a secondary function. Okay, so to find the angle, okay, you have to use secant cosine, then you have to have 1 divided by 3.555, close your parentheses and push equal. So theta will equal to 73 point. Now this 6 over here, it will run up to make this into a 7. So 73.7 degrees. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 31. Yeah, cosine theta equal to 0.8621. Okay, so this one again, you have to know how to use your calculator. So when you're looking for angle, you have to go second function. So second cosine of 0.8621. Close in parentheses, push equal. Okay, now what you have is a decimal degree. Okay, so here it's 34.446, but they want you to find it in the nearest minute. So you have to know how to convert into degree, minute, degree, minutes, and second. Okay, so depends on your calculator. For this one, you have to push the degree things, and then you have to keep going until you get DMS, enter, equal, and that's your answer. So it'd be 30 degrees, and you want to run off to the nearest minute. Okay, so again, this is 48 seconds. So if it's 30 or more, remember 1 minute equal to 30, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So cut off would be 30 seconds. So if it's 30 seconds, you will run it up. So 48 is more than enough. So you have to run this up into 27 minutes. Okay, so it'd be 27 minutes. Okay, so again, this way, run it up to 27 minutes. Okay, number 33. Okay, you got tangent theta equal to 0.1482. Okay, so you can get your calculator. So you have to go second tangent. Whenever you're looking for angle, you have to use the second function. So second tangent of 0.1482. Closing parentheses, push equal. So again, this is a decimal degree, so you have to convert into degree, minute, and seconds. Okay, so you push this button, and there's a function way in the back. Enter, enter. Okay, so you got 8 degrees. So again, this is more than 30 seconds, so you run it up. So make the 25 minutes into 26 minutes. Okay. Okay, number 35. Okay, you got sine theta equal to 0.7321. So you can get your calculator. So you can looking for theta, looking for angles, you have to go second sine 0.7321, closing parentheses, push equal. So it's 47.062 something. So you have to convert. So push that button. Again, so you have to know how to convert. And this will give you 47 degrees. Again, this is more than 30 seconds, so you will run it up. So it'd be 4 minutes.